Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss on engineering surveying most important topic, that is bearing of a line. Also, we will solve some problems related to conversion of whole circle bearing, that is WCB to reduced bearing, and also conversion of RB into WCB. By the way, in my previous video, I have solved the problems based on rise and fall and HI method. I have also kept the link in description and you can check it. Without any delay, let's start the problem. Before going to the problem, let's know what is bearing. Okay friends, bearing of a line is its direction relative to a given meridian. Okay, bearing of a line is its direction relative to a given meridian. A meridian is any direction such as a true meridian, magnetic meridian and arbitrary meridian. Okay, now see some conversion of WCB into RB and conversion of RB into WCB. For this, we should know that this will be line, this will be WCB, and rule for RB and its quadrant. Okay, here also let's write line. Here will be RB because we are getting RB to WCB, and its rule for WCB. Here WCB between. Okay, let's write line AB, AC, AD and AF. Now for AB line, whole circle bearing, that is 0 degree and 90 degree. Rule for RB, this is the basic formula you should know. See, in 0 degree and 90 degree, rule for RB will be equal to WCB, so that quadrant will be in northeast. First let's write all the things, then later we'll solve the problem. By seeing this table only, we can able to solve the problem easily. Now this will be 90 degree and 180 degree. Then RB is equals to 180 degree minus WCB. This will be in southeast quadrant. Now AD 180 degree and 270 degree. RB is equals to whole circle bearing minus 180 degree, and this will be in southwest. Finally, this will be in 270 degree and 360 degree, and RB is equals to 360 degree minus WCB. Okay, this will be our quadrant: north, south, east, west, and it will be our northwest. Northwest means this side. Okay, let's write for this also. Line AB, AC, AD and AF, and our reduced bearing any. Here this will be, let's write AC, and for this southwest, northwest. And rule for WCB, for northeast we'll write WCB is equals to RB, and this will be 0 degree and 90 degree. Southeast, WCB is equals to 180 minus RB. This will be 90 degree and 180 degree. Now southwest, WCB is equals to, because we are changing WCB to, conversion of RB into WCB, so WCB will be 180 degree plus RB. It is 180 degree and 270 degree. Now northwest, WCB is equals to 360 minus RB. That will be 270 degree and 360. Okay friends, now we already write this one and this one also. See, this is for conversion of whole circle bearing into RB, and this is for conversion of RB into WCB. So question will be like this: convert the following WCB to quadrant bearing. They will give the value like 22 degree 30 minutes. We have to convert whole circle bearing to quadrant bearing. So this one is whole circle bearing. We have to change into quadrant bearing. That is RB. Okay, it's very easy only. Let's solve now. For 22 degree 30 minutes we have to change in quadrant, so we'll use this table. I have separately written question here. So see here, 22 degree 30 minutes RB is equals to WCB minus. So 22 degree 30 minutes means it will be here. It falls between 0 degree and 90 degree. So here rule for RB is equals to WCB. So it will be in northeast. So whatever our question is given, it will be equal. So we'll write 20 degree 30 minutes only, but it will be in northeast. So we'll write north 22 degree 30 minute east. Likewise for 170 degree 12 minute, it will be 180. See, 170 degree 12 minute means falls in 90 degree and 180 degree. So formula is 180 degree minus WCB. Minus WCB is 170 degree 12 minute. So this will be southeast. So we'll write south east 180 degree minus 170 degree 12. If we do 1 second, then it will be minute. Okay, that will be 9 degree 48 minute east. Now for third one, 211 degree 54 minute, that will falls in this one 180 degree and 270. It will be in southwest, and formula is WCB minus 180. So WCB is this one only, 211 degree 54 minute minus 180. Okay, this will be in southwest. So let's minus it. Degree 54 minute minus 180 degree gives 31 degree 54 minute. Okay, for fourth one, 327 degree 24 minute, it will be in between 270 degree and 360 degree. So formula is RB is equals to 360 degree minus WCB and falls in northwest. So write 360 degree minus WCB is 327 degree 24 minutes. So it will be northwest. Again we will use calci. 360 degree minus 327 degree 24 minute, 32 degree 36 minute. Okay friend, this is the way to convert WCB into RB. Now for RB into WCB, we'll use same method just to see the formula. Now here convert quadrant bearing to WCB. Here given north 12 degree 24 minute east. Here we found we need to find this one northeast, yeah, like southeast, but here already given northeast, southeast, like that. Now we have to find in this way, just opposite. So what will be here? North 12 degree 24 minute east. Okay, that falls between 0 degree and 90 degree. So WCB is equals to RB is equals to 12 degree 24. Okay, it falls here. It's WCB is equals to RB. So north is already given, so we'll neglect this and write the value. For second one, WCB 31 degree 36 minute. So here we'll do 180 degree southeast. Here is given southeast, so we'll use this formula. 180 degree minus RB is 31 degree 36 minute. So it will give 180 degree minus 31 degree 36 minute, 148 degree 24 minute. This means it falls in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Now third one, south 68 degrees 6 minute, at 68 degree, this is west. Okay, for this we'll use this formula, 180 degree plus RB. Okay, why we are using this formula? Because it's in southwest, so 180 degree plus RB. RB means that one, so 180 degree plus 68 degrees 6 minute. Let's use calci. 180 degree 68 minutes 6 degree 60 degree, 180 degree plus 68 degree 6 minute, that will give 248 degree 0.1. Okay, 1. Now last one, north 5 degree 42 minute west, northwest, so we'll use this one, 360 minus RB means 5 degree 42 minute, 360 degree minus 5 minute, 5 degree 42 minute. This will give 354 degree 18 minute. Okay friend, this is our answer. So here we found the conversion of WCB into RB. This is the process. We'll see this table and solve the question, and for RB into WCB we'll see this table and we'll easily find the answer. Okay friends, I hope now you know how to convert this WCB into RB and RB into WCB by using or by seeing such simple formula. For today, this much. In my next video I'll come up with other interesting video. Thank you.